DeSoto Swift first at the handoff, both girls and boys. DeSoto Swift out to a fast start. New Era pulling up on out on the inside. DeSoto Swift boys bringing it to the wire. New Era in second. DeSoto Swift girls bringing it in strong. DeSoto